Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Many times, while working in ArcGIS, QGIS, or ArcGIS Pro, you may face a problem where the spatial reference does not match the data frame. In this case, you cannot edit your data and it shows a warning message. In this video, I will show you how you can solve this issue in ArcGIS. The process is the same for QGIS and ArcGIS Pro as well. Let's get started. So here you can see three layers: study area, building, and monitoring point. If we want to add here, then you can see it is not added. For building shapefile, it is not added, and for monitoring point, zoom to layer, and then you can see it is not added also. And if we want to edit, start editing, then you can see here, yeah, then okay, and you can see a warning message has been appeared, and it shows start editing encountered on or more layers with warnings. You may not able to edit some layers if you continue. And you can see here the layer specific warnings: spatial reference does not match data frame for three layers. So you cannot edit if this message shows, and if you continue, then it is not working. And if we want to draw feature, then it is not working as well. For building, no, it is not working. Yeah, then what could be the problem? The problem is that the coordinate system of layers and data frame is not same. So stop editing, and then if we check the coordinate system of three layers, then what we can see, go to properties to check the coordinate system and go to source. You can see projected coordinate system. It is in WGS 984 UTM zone 45 north. In this coordinate system, and if we want to check for monitoring point, then you can see over here the coordinate system is same as building 45 north, and for study area it is also same, WGS 984 UTM zone 45 north. That means our layers coordinate system are same. And now if we want to check for the data frame coordinate system, then again go to properties and then check from the coordinate system. And what we can see here, it is also in projected coordinate systems, but the zone is different. It is in 21 south zone. So this is the main problem. The layers coordinate system and the data frame coordinate systems are not same. So now we have to change the data frame coordinate system as per the layers coordinate system. Yes, 45 north. Yes, now we have to change this coordinate system as like layers coordinate system. So go to projected coordinate system and then UTM, in my case WGS 984, then layers coordinate system in northern hemisphere. Yes, then just change the coordinate system as per the layers, apply. Okay, that means your all coordinate system should be same. Now go to properties, and then you can check it is in 45 north. And now zoom to layer, and you can see it is working. Yep. And now if you want to start editing, okay, and if you want to draw, yes, it is working. The point is not showing due to the color of the study area, so I will make it hollow. Yeah, now it is showing. So now you can edit, you can draw. Yeah, this is a very basic thing. I hope that if you did not know this before, you are now able to fix it. This is a very basic error. To get tutorials every week, please subscribe to the GIS and ArcGIS Solution YouTube channel, like our Facebook page, and join our Facebook group. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and happy.